Tonight, the News 8 investigators are taking a closer look at Obamacare. Consumers here in Connecticut have been dealing with a lot of slowdowns, long wait times, and more problems.
Well, those problems have been with Anthem Blue Cross. They've expanded their hours, they've set up brand new services, all in an effort to answer those customer complaints. As the News 8 investigators show us, many of those problems have been fixed, but many of them still remain.
Lately, Debbie Garmon's days have been filled with music. Not music that she's picked, but music that her insurance company picked.
We are currently experiencing higher than normal wait times.
We have spent many times on hold for 3 or 4 hours.
Garmon spent her days trying to get answers from her insurance company. She and her husband signed up for health insurance last October. They found an Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield plan that they liked, but their insurance cards never came.
Anthem said that they had either lost the check or it hadn't been cashed or something.
Garmon had doctor's appointments to get to and medicine that she needed, but her insurance she had paid for, it seemed, didn't exist, and she is far from alone.
Extremely Mickey Mouse.
Without insurance, Kevin Basta couldn't afford the medication sitting at the pharmacy. He paid his premium, but for weeks, his Anthem Blue Cross card was MIA.
And they said that they have confirmation and verification of our payment being made, and we're still without insurance.
Basta is one of the 30 people who have complained to the Attorney General's office about insurance stemming from the new health care law. There are 3 companies that Access Health customers can pick from. 6 out of 10 Connecticut consumers have chosen Anthem Blue Cross, but more than 9 of 10 of the complaints to the AG's office are about Anthem.
There was a real crush of applicants just before the deadline in December for the January sign-up, a crush that was probably unanticipated, though probably should have been anticipated.
Attorney General George Jepson says someone from his office is on the phone with an Anthem rep weekly, trying to find solutions to the long list of customer complaints. And so is the state's insurance department.
We've been now talking to them every day with their president on the phone with us every day at noon.
Long wait times, uncashed checks, or plans that just can't be found in the system. Those are the most common complaints that customers are giving. We reached out to Anthem, but they declined to answer our questions, instead issuing this statement. We take our commitment to delivering quality products and services very seriously. Our goal is to ensure that our members can access their benefits as early as possible in 2014.
I've never been treated so poorly as an individual.
Lisa Kissinger says she spent nearly 20 hours on hold with Anthem and still can't get an answer.
Thank you for calling Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield.
She let her old policy lapse in time for her new Anthem policy to start. You can see on this confirmation letter a price of $389. But after her check was sent in, she was told someone made a mistake. They wanted another $400 before they insure her.
I could have an asthma attack, and I may not have the machines to bring me back.
Kissinger has severe asthma and sleep apnea. She's out of medication and cannot get an answer when her policy will start.
This is a nightmare.
The difference? Of the 3 insurance providers available in the exchange, Anthem is the only national company.
They're dealing with call centers, communications people, payment processing functions that are national. So these are sort of shared services, if you will.
And that means longer wait times for callers. In the past few weeks, and with pressure from the state, those wait times are dwindling.
The trend is positive, but it needs to get to a better place in terms of speed.
Better service for Anthem's new customers cannot come soon enough.
Doesn't give me much faith in insurance companies.
David reports that woman's issue was finally resolved.
And if you're having issues with your health care plan, you're urged to call the Connecticut Insurance Department helpline. That number is 1-800-203-3447.